Now I will introduce how to grading. After you finish the pattern design, then I pick up the pattern. Use the intelligent pen. First, select all this borderline. Right click, pattern make. Then I select inline. Right click again. First, this is front pattern. Now I pick up the back pattern. Select inline. Right click, back piece. Now we select another tools. We can move the pattern like this. Here we can display the sewing line like this. Click the button. Now I will start grading. Before you grading, you first edit the size. For example, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 size. The M size is middle size. S, M, L, XL, XXL. Totaling is 5 size. Then you come here to select these tools. Click and select here. This is 1 point. In this point, in horizontal, you writing 1. That means in horizontal direction. It's grading 1 cm. Now you can select this point again. In vertical direction, if you writing -1, you can see in vertical direction it's grading -1 like this. You can write in any value. We also can copy the grading. Use these tools. You first select here, then now copy to here. Automatic grading. Sometimes I want grading on the curve. For example, I want grading in this point. So you first add one grading point. Right click, select these tools. Right click on the curve. For example, in here, right click. You can see here. From this point to this point, -10. Click OK. Then you use the same tools to select this red point. You can see this point also can grading in horizontal direction -1. Oh, sorry, 1, not -1. So this point in here, this is outside is big size, inside is small size. Now automatic grading 0.5 like this. For another point also same. I select this point 0.5. Here I introduce this time you writing 0.5 because you only see the big size. For example, the big size go to the right direction. So for the right direction is plus, not the minus. Another situation. For example, this point. I select this point. If this point in horizontal direction, I should writing -0.5 because in this point, for this point, the big size go to the left direction. So the left direction is minus like this. So you only see the big size, the direction to confirm it's minus or plus.